What's the meaning of correspondence? Correspondence. Correspondence.
Correspondence. Correspondence. The term correspondence generally refers to the exchange of letters or messages between two or more parties. It can also refer to the similarity or agreement between different things, such as correspondence between a theory and empirical evidence. In both cases, there is a sense of connection or communication between the parties or elements involved. Ultimately, the concept of correspondence conveys the idea of a relationship or link between separate entities, whether through communication or similarity.